Paulownia, the tree of today. This video is to educate, inform, and inspire forestry action around Paulownia tree planting, tackling common misconceptions and showcasing the species' global potential. Around the world, over 60 countries have planted a tree that promises prosperity, climate resilience, and ecological restoration. The Paulownia tree. Fast-growing, high-yield, eco-friendly, but there's one big misunderstanding that needs clearing up. Many confuse the entire genus with just one species, Paulownia tomentosa. Yes, it can be invasive, but what about the other 16 that are not? There are 17 species of Paulownia, and most, like Paulownia elongata, Kawakami, and fortuni, are non-invasive, sterile hybrids with proven environmental benefits. CABI, a global authority, states, Paulownia is categorized as an exotic. Its invasiveness is open to conjecture, so you need to do your own research. Seeds are difficult to germinate, and most fail due to natural fungi. Used wisely, Paulownia supports soil regeneration, pollination, shade for companion crops, and even carbon drawdown for verified credit programs in United Nations countries. From Asia to Africa, Europe to the Americas, Paulownia trees are being planted in over 60 nations as a tool for climate-smart development. At Bioeconomy Solutions, we provide certified Paulownia saplings and expert support for afforestation, reforestation, and bioenergy projects worldwide. Download our free guide, Carbon Credits in Paulownia Trees. Start your project at bioeconomysolutions.com. Let's chat. Schedule a call today. Paulownia, the tree that builds a better tomorrow.